Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password for Cake Wallet. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, launch open the Cake Wallet application and make sure to log into your account by entering your PIN. Your PIN is like a password on your Cake Wallet, which you should enter every time you log into your wallet. From the first interface of your wallet, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner. This will then open up several menus in the pop-up. Tap on the security and backup option and then tap on change PIN. Now enter your current PIN you are using for your wallet. On the next page, enter a new PIN you would like to set up too. Enter the new PIN one more time just to confirm, and you have successfully changed your password or your PIN on Cake Wallet. Next time you log into your Cake Wallet, make sure to enter the new PIN that you just changed to. So that's how easy it is to change your password for your Cake Wallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.